How do I convert a Django query set into list of dicts? How can I convert a Django query set into a list of dicts? I haven't found an answer to this, so I'm wondering if I'm missing some sort of common helper function that everyone uses.
Use the .values method. Note, the result is a query set which mostly behaves like a list, but isn't actually an instance of list. Use listblog.objects.values if you really need an instance of list.
The .values method will return you a result of type values query set, which is typically what you need in most cases. But if you wish, you could turn values query set into a native Python list using Python list comprehension as illustrated in the example below. I find the above helps if you are writing unit tests and need to assert that the expected return value of a function matches the actual return value, in which case both expected underscore result and actual underscore result must be of the same type, for example dictionary.
If you need native data types for some reason, for example JSON serialization, this is my quick and dirty way to do it. As you can see, building the dict inside the list is not really dry, so if somebody knows a better way.
Typecast list. You need Django encoder and list to make your query set to JSON, ref, Python JSON serialize a decimal object.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.